Happy New Year, guys.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Yes. How can I put this in like a collage?
No, call us.
Well, hurry up. Okay. No, I'm Bonnie. I'm asset protection with Walgreens. So I have a team member that admitted to stealing $1,150 in cash. She was doing it over like 5 days, reloading her Chime financial reload cards and shorting the register. Right,
Okay.
that's $100 to $200 different registers throughout the store. So $1,150, obviously, substantial amount. Full admission, it's all on video. I have every single transaction on video, so I have $1,150 on video.
All right, we definitely need a copy of the video.
Do you have an Axon community?
Yeah, I know I can send it to you.
Perfect.
Some organizations they don't. They still do the old school. They give us the
The
things.
store can't do it, but I can send it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and I have them all, and it's an easy.
Do you have your
My email?
code for? Yeah, I just want to get your information.
And do you want to see any of the video before you?
Yeah, I just need to see one. Do you have your like a card or something, or is that a driver's license, or?
I have cards in my car.
Each one is like, yeah.
Yes. I need a license because I don't have my Do you have my business cards here? Probably not. I should probably refill my. Just depends on what I bring in.
Good, how are you?
It's quiet. I was just making sure. Where did you have that come from?
I was just on the jog.
It's typically, I know you guys are like at the back of the, like, never get anybody.
Well, it just depends if it depends on what's going on.
Right.
Today wasn't as crazy as other days. What's your phone number?
And you need my email?
Yes. Do we have her information?
I have her name, Mia Jackson, MIAJACKSON.
MIA.
MIA and Jackson. JACK.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have her date of birth?
I can get it. So there's no active store manager here right now. So that's why I think she was taking during this time, thinking nobody was going to see it. Do you have People Central? You can pull up People Central?
Yes.
Can you do it on this terminal?
Although I don't think I'll have access to their information.
Oh, you're right. Oh, I can do it. Just the internet here doesn't like me.
Where's the sheet you gave me? It's right here.
1241.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, please don't lose. I mean, I got copies already.
Yeah.
I always do copies because you never know if they're going to be wrong. That she was living out of her car.
Okay.
Then her mom's in Boyne, her dad's in Fort Pierce, her sister is, which is a best friend, is in Del Rey, and a lot of stuff going on.
So it's over a couple days of her shortening register.
Boy,
Yeah.
is
So
she here right now?
yeah, she's here.
Where's she?
Yeah.
Alright, so you want to see footage?
Yes.
So these are all the transactions. It's just $200, 100, 200. She would just pop around to different registers. And then, so for instance, this would be, so for instance, this one, she, so 1218, she reloaded, so she'll scan her phone, and then, this will pop out. Give me a second. So she already scanned her phone. Let me get to one that's got it a little bit more clear.
So what is she doing? She's taking.
She reloads it onto her.
But where's
Chime.
she takes me on the.
On her phone, she's got a barcode.
Okay.
And it reloads to her personal Chime account. So she has all the Chime transactions. That's where she got all the.
No, just so I'm confused. Like, so I know you can. So it's like relocating, re-upping like a card. But where's the money coming from? From the register?
Yeah.
Like she's taking the 20. So she's saying like.
She doesn't actually touch any money. It shorts the register.
Oh, I see.
As
So
if it was a transaction that went through, but it doesn't go through.
So it's like a cash transaction that someone's gonna put on their Chime card, but
She gave me $200.
yeah,
put it
but
on
she didn't
that
put the
card.
$200 in. She just
Correct.
okay.
So
Still goes through, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's
She,
doing on the register that 200.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Then I give it. I just have to know what the motive is. You know?
yeah. Yeah, I mean, it was only like 6 days. It was just different registers.
And how did you guys notice that every night the register was short?
So no, I'm corporate, so I'm not even
Yeah.
local. And one of the team members, like, I think something's going on. So he said, let me look at it. I got that call last night, and then I started pulling video this morning. I was like, okay, this is a little more than the problem. So, and there's no active store manager here, so she's smart. She worked at CVS previously. I tried to see why she was like, oh, there. Clearly, she knew.
Was it okay?
All right, so this one, so her phone was, I might have already missed it. And these cameras are
No, that's fine. As long as I don't have to see anymore.
horrible.
I just had to know how she was doing it.
This one, she took $100 cash out of what they gave and she just put it under the register. She'll put it in her pocket. That's the only one she did cash. The rest are all reloads. So this one's a bad example. Let me give you,
Oh, she took cash in that. Well,
just that one time.
how much
So
is it?
this is her phone. So she had her phone out.
So that one was just a customer giving her cash. The other one was like it wasn't even a customer. She was just saying like a customer handed her $200 to load onto their.
Correct.
Order
Yeah.
6 is fine. Order 6, go ahead.
And what was the cash transaction? How much was it?
Sure,
Which one was that?
40, 2700 block is up.
Each one, I have them actually, like I can give you,
26,
I just wrote them this morning. So
You can email me that, so that'd be great.
yeah, I can give you all the transactions. Like I have all the transactions separately saved.
Perfect. That'd be great.
Yeah, but that's the same thing every single time. Is that she'll just ring it and then so she'll scan her phone. So this is hers. That's her phone. She scans it at the register, so that just scanned it. Then she's gonna put in a phone number. I don't know what phone number or clear it out. And the way I know that the transaction, obviously it shows up in the back office, but then you'll see the receipt print out too, and then she just tosses it. She checks it, and it prints it out. I mean, there's obviously nobody there. She's done. She puts her phone down, and then she takes the next customer. So she has the same MO every single time, minus the $100 cash one. And I caught that just by accident because those are harder to catch. And then that's it.
What was the date for the $100 cash one?
I'm sorry.
What was the date on the $100 cash one?
The $100 cash one. I have it.
Oh yeah, you can just send it to me.
So what was it total?
Like 1,100 something bucks.
$11.50. And I do have $11.50 on video. So the $100 cash was the $100 under the register was on the 28th. That was $100 cash. The rest were all. We should do like different terminals. I can make this make sense for you because right now it's in my language. So
Yeah. Well, let me see. Is it?
ones are the ones I have on video. That's what equals $11.50.
And it doesn't have the date though. That's all.
Yeah, they do.
Oh.
27th, 71 is our photo
Okay.
register, $200. 25th, $200. 26th, $200. This one was $150 on one register and $100 on another register.
Oh yeah, if I can get a copy of that. Good afternoon. I'm Officer Walsh. You don't have an ID on you, do you? Okay. Make sure. What's your what's your full name? You have a middle name? What's your social? I'm just going to do a statement here. I'm going to read you your rights.
Close out that traffic call.
Um,
For me.
So, the statement's going to be, what day did it say, Tuesday? Tuesday, December 30th at 12:56. I'm at the Walgreens. What is it, 8989 Okie?
I'm sorry, who that?
What's the address here again?
9921 Okeechobee.
In reference to a theft case. I'm with, well, spell your name and then spell your last name for me, ma'am. Say my name, say your name and spell your last name. And what's your date of birth? All right, I'm just going to read you your rights, and after every time I read them, you just have to say yes, no, or if you don't understand, just I'll explain it to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You have to, like, look at me and say, just put your phone down for right now. You have to look at me and say, I understand. Yeah, I understand. All right. You have the right, in the presence of an attorney or lawyer of your choice, before you make any statements during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during questioning. Any statement can and may be used against you in a court of law. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. At any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Correct?
That last part was a little, I'm sorry. You
Okay,
fast.
I'm sorry. And
You gotta be from Boston.
I am from Boston, actually.
Oh, that's see? Okay.
I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make any statement. This must be of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Just sign right there. Just gonna ask a few questions. So, you want to tell us what happened today? Want to tell us why we're here? No. No, I'm not saying anything to saying. Oh no, I just had a twitch.
I came into work today. I spoke with the asset protection. I gave her a full statement. Nothing completely happened today. I just came.
Well, what happened? Why are we here?
The previous times, over the time, I have it's embarrassing. I'm just sleeping in my car, just trying to have my dad.
Is it you don't want to tell us what happened, or?
I took money, not physical money, but like I loaded it in my card.
What do you mean by your card? What's that mean?
Chime.
Oh, okay. So, all right.
No, you just load it. It's a barcode or something like that.
Yeah. So, like, if I came in with $200 and I had my Chime on my phone, right, or I could just give you the $200 and you bring it in.
A couple times I've given them the money, like I've had another person do it, and they, now I did it a couple times on my own, and now I'm just like.
Okay. Any other thing you want to talk about, or
That's all pertaining to me.
Okay. All right, now we're going to end the interview at 12:59, 57 seconds.
The badge? Yeah, she left.
Okay. I'm sending all this right now.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
See this rest of the disabled one? You know, when people are doing violence and
So, hey, your daughter's situated, right? At least until tomorrow? Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. I don't have a daughter. I think the last time I checked, you had your one when I arrested that lady, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't done one since then. So.
You have a plastic bag?
You have
It's not that much property, so you'll be able to do it there pretty easily. But
how do you know where we even get them from? This definitely doesn't have his plan.
no, what I'm saying, the jail will have them. Like,
Yeah, no, we don't even have it. You can't even get them from the station.
Oh yeah. So
South Cyber Drive, Monroe
This
Drive, Monroe
is the
Drive,
ankle
South
thing.
Cyber Drive.
a ring.
It's like 4 male.
Just on the key.
Yep. Set up half on the Sheldon. About an hour.
Yeah. Let's throw glasses back on. Your glasses fell off.
You need to
Alright,
put the
put my
glass
head
back
down.
on.
It fell off. Yeah.
Is that on?
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure.
The suspect was arrested and taken to the county jail where she was charged with grand theft. If you enjoy videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Also consider becoming a member for early access to all our videos.